Hello everyone. Now we look second part of the female reproductive system, second point of the female reproductive system, that is the ovulation. What is ovulation? What are the different steps of the ovulation? What is the process of ovulation? We will discuss here. Ovulation is the process that Graafian follicle rupture and ovum is released in the abdominal cavity. The process of ovulation occurs 14 day of menstrual cycle. Normally, ovulation occurs 28 days. So that means what I just mentioned here, the ovulation, that means release of ovum from Graafian follicle or what we call as a mature follicle. This process we call as ovulation, and this ovum first fall into the abdominal cavity. But this process they are generally occurs in the 14 day of menstrual cycle. So those female shows normal menstrual cycle, that means 28 days. In these female, the ovulation take place in the 14 days of menstrual cycle. But in the remaining female, that means the menstrual cycle is not regularly. Sometimes there is a they are increase up to the 35 days, or sometimes they are decrease up to the below 14 days or below 10 days. So these are the what we call as abnormal female, or these female must be go to the treatment by they concern with physician about their menstrual cycle. But normally those female shows menstrual cycle up to the 28 days or 28 days menstrual cycle. Then in this female ovulation take place day, 14 day of menstrual cycle. The ovum that release in the abdominal cavity, it enter in the fallopian tube through fimbriated end of fallopian tube, and usually one ovum is released from any of ovary every month. Hormone, luteinizing hormone, that is the LH, is responsible for process of ovulation. Now, process of ovulation. Prior to ovulation, large amount of luteinizing hormone is secreted during the luteal phase. This cause change in the Graafian follicle and it lead ovulation. After 20 days, 28 days of menstrual cycle, hypothalamus secrete gonadotropin releasing hormone into the network of blood vessel, and this hormone